Hey guys, welcome to Family Travel Go. We are a family of 4 who live in Oklahoma. We don't travel full time, but our life is quite an adventure. We travel every chance we get, which makes many weekend getaways here in the United States and multiple week-long trips throughout the year. We travel internationally at least once a year, and we afford to travel by saving our money where we can and by doing inexpensive or free things on many of our adventures. We share videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday's videos are either travel tips, where we teach ways for you to travel better, more affordably, making your trips easier, or travel vlogs, where we share unique destinations and events around the globe. Thursdays are either throwback videos from previous trips that we believe could help you in finding new inspirations and amazing destinations, or 360 videos, where you can control what you see on our adventures and stunning 360 degrees with your computer, phone, or even a VR headset. We also post videos throughout other days of the week, with occasional Flyby Friday drone videos and product unboxing videos and reviews. We also make informational videos about current events and holidays. So if you need some tips to travel better, inspiration for new destinations, or entertainment, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next trip.